The main advantages of chip seals include cost effectiveness. Chip seals are cost effective when properly placed on the right type of pavement. Good durability. By using durable aggregates and quality construction practices, chip seals wear well and can have long service lives. Life extension. Chip seals extend the pavement life 5 to 7 years when properly designed and constructed. Ease of construction. Chip seals are typically constructed rapidly and cause less disruption to the traveling public. Improved skid resistance. Chip seals enhance safety by providing good skid resistance. Step 1. Project selection. Evaluating the durability of the existing pavement surface for a chip seal is a critical first step. A pavement with poor ride quality or rutting cannot be corrected by chip sealing. A chip seal is designed to prevent water intrusion into the underlying pavement structure. Cracks in the pavement are the primary means of water entry. Pavements with fatigue cracking, known as alligator cracking, are not suitable for chip seals. Alligator cracking is a sign of structural failure and cannot be corrected by a chip seal. In a typical application, a chip seal is performed as a preventative maintenance treatment on a pavement without any structural distress. Based on the pavement surface evaluation and rating scale of pavement condition, chip sealing is recommended for pavements that have a rating of 5 or 6. However, this may vary in certain cases. Such pavements are in the middle of their cycle of service life. They may show moderate to severe raveling, some flushing or polishing, and age-related cracks that are no more than half of an inch wide. Chip sealing an asphalt pavement at the appropriate time slows the aging process and significantly delays the need for costly capital improvements. Step 2. Project preparation. Areas with minor structural issues must have the base materials removed and properly repaired prior to chip sealing. Crack fill all cracks that are greater than 1/8 of an inch in width. Remove thermoplastic or epoxy pavement markings. Thoroughly sweep the pavement and wash off any stubborn debris or heavy oil deposits from the surface. Cover utility castings and drainage gratings. Apply temporary chip seal markers. Ensure the existing surface is dry before applying asphalt emulsion. Step 3. Materials. The use of a rapid-setting polymer modified emulsion, such as CRS2P or HFRS2M, are preferred in most cases. CRS2P is a polymer-modified cationic emulsified asphalt designed specifically for chip seals. CRS2P is a fast-set emulsion that requires prompt aggregate application and rolling operations before the curing process begins. Chip seal applications can be swept 2 hours after application. HFRS2M is a polymer-modified anionic emulsified asphalt designed specifically for chip seals. HFRS2M is also a fast-set emulsion, but the total cure time is considerably longer than the CRS2P. Chip seal applications can be swept within 24 hours after application. The polymer-modified material in the asphalt emulsions provide improved elasticity, durability, and earlier chip retention than unmodified asphalt emulsions. The polymer-modified emulsified asphalt must comply with the requirements of the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, Standard Specification M316-14, and must use a uniform gradation aggregate with less than 1% passing a number 200 sieve. Aggregate must be durable to resist crushing, polishing, degradation, and have good skid resistance. Aggregate must be cubical for better interlock and be applied as a monolayer, meaning one stone thick. Step 4. The Etnyre Asphalt Distributor. Calibrate the Etnyre distributor prior to beginning work. All nozzles must be oriented at the same 30-degree angle on the spray bar. Etnyre spray bar nozzles will produce a uniform triple lap application fan spray when set properly. The Etnyre distributor is capable of maintaining the specified application rate within plus or minus 15 thousandths gallon per square yard for each load. Optimal temperature of the emulsified asphalt at the time of application is 160 degrees Fahrenheit with an acceptable range of 140 degrees to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. The Etnyre chip spreader. Calibrate the chip spreader prior to beginning work. Watch for excess aggregate placement. Aggregate must be placed in a single layer. No stacking of aggregate as applied. Only apply aggregate to the emulsion layer. By following these tips, you will be on your way to building a high-quality chip seal.
As with any piece of equipment, please follow all the safety guidelines in the operations manual and wear the proper personal protection equipment required by your company or the state. We all want to return home safe every night, so be safe out there. You can contact your local dealer or the Etnyre factory to talk to a professional service or parts representative at the information provided on the screen. Thank you and have a good day.